1 Minute German, Program 1.
My name is Julia and I'd like to welcome you to this course from the Radiolingua network. During this course I'm going to be teaching you the absolute basics of German. In each lesson we'll spend exactly 1 minute learning the language. Then you'll have time to go over what you've learned. It's very easy to learn German and I hope you enjoy these lessons. The clock is ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. In this first lesson, we are going to learn to say hello and goodbye, two very important words in any situation. To say hello, you say Hallo. Listen to this again. Hallo. Repeat after me. Hallo. Now let's learn the word for goodbye. It's Tschüss. Try that again. Tschüss. One more time. Tschüss. Well done. Let's go over these two phrases again. One more time. It's important to practice the new words and phrases in each lesson as often as possible. Try these one more time with me. Hallo. Tschüss. Time's up! That's all for this program of 1 Minute German. We would suggest that you listen again just to get used to the sounds of the language and to make sure the words really stick in your head. Join us again soon for more German. In the meantime, goodbye. Or as you can now say in German, Tschüss.
This is a production of the Radiolingua network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.